everyone, it's Michael again with Home Health Success Academy. Thank you so much for coming back again, for watching another one of our free videos, because our goal here at Home Health Success Academy is to make sure that your home health, your home care, or your hospice company does amazing things and you increase your referrals, at the same time become very successful. So the topic that we're talking about today is an answering service. So let me ask you this. Do you guys have all the time, 24/7, somebody who is on call for your company, whether you're a hospice, whether you're a home health, whether you're a home care company? Now, pretty much this is something that everybody says that they have because the phone always gets transferred to somebody's cell phone. But honestly, be honest with me. When you have been the person that's on call, have you actually answered all the calls? Have you actually called the person back when they called you? Countless times, 95% of companies that I work with have told me that no, they missed the call or they wait till the next day. This is something that you shouldn't do. And because of this, people have lost clients this way or lost referral sources of this. So I always recommend that you have and you actually use a answering service. Actually, one of the companies that I work with, which is Home Health Answering Services, they actually do an amazing job because they work with a lot of home health agencies and home care companies. And so you always want to make sure that somebody is out there answering your calls. Whether, for example, your company goes on a lunchtime and you guys decide to go to lunch together and then nobody's answering the phones. Or let's say you're a one-man team and sometimes you just want to go to sleep in the afternoon and take a rest. So somebody should always be answering your phones. And that's what answering services out there. There's so many companies out there that can help you. Whether it's the homehealthansweringservices.com or somebody else, you want to make sure that you have a real answering service answering your phones in the late night hours when you're sleeping or when you're busy in a meeting. You have to make sure that somebody is on point answering your calls for you to make sure that you don't miss anything. You don't miss any possible referrals. So once again, I just want to make sure that your company is using and utilizing an answering service. I put a link down in this video to make sure that you can contact Home Health Answering Services if you want to use them. Just let them know that Home Health Success Academy actually referred you to them and they're actually going to give you guys this crazy deal. So, I truly recommend them and make sure that you go ahead and try using them. They're a really good company. So once again, make sure you have an answering services so you don't miss any calls, you don't lose any referral sources, and you actually make sure that those last minute calls from hospitals that they start calling people to admit patients, that if you actually answer it and you have actually somebody answer it for you and you don't miss the call, you actually get those admissions. So this is another tip from Home Health Success Academy. Thank you so much for joining us again. Understand this, healthcare marketing is not hard at all if you know what you're doing. Let Home Health Success Academy help your company grow. How do we do this? We will help you increase your census and at the same time have those phones ringing and those referrals just rolling in. Thank you so much. You guys have a beautiful day.